Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Bullet Motorsports. Right next to me we have a beautiful bright red Jeep Willys. It's a 1949. We're going to go into full details in this video, take it for a test drive, and let you decide if this is what you want to put in your collection. Click on the link below for full details, including transport options and finance options. Let's do it. Overall condition, I'd give this an 8.5 out of 10. This is a piece of jewelry, extremely nice. It does have a gloss black frame and the engine bay is extremely detailed. Front fascia is very nice as well. And you do have all chrome accents in excellent condition. You have your little wood pieces here so that when you fold up the hood, you'll see how nice it is. There's a small chip right here just from the latch touching the hood. Look at how clean that is. All the brass fittings, brass radiator. Upgraded 12-volt system with the alternator, so we just did that on our 1946 CJ-3A. Filter's still in the proper spot, and it is a flathead and very, very clean. You still have the glass bowl here. I know a lot of guys will be like, oh, this is dangerous. It is, but it's proper. You also have your filter here and an additional filter from the tank so you don't have any issues. All of your wiring is extremely nice. You do have relays here in place. Beautiful. The leather strap is nice as well, so you're not going to have any banging around. Tires are in excellent condition. I don't know what year they are, but they are 2019 for these tires. Lima Cauchos. You can see the frame throughout here and it's all gloss black. All your suspension components are nice. You have a gloss black step. So all of this comes off. We have a complete top that's included. Seats have been redone and the upholstery is very nice. You do have a little storage box underneath here and it's nice and clean. There's actually an amplifier for your speakers. Shifter is in place. You have a 3-speed with reverse, high and low gear. Emergency brake is working. All of your gauges are in very nice condition. You do have support beams up here for the top, and then you do have your radio that's in place, and it does have Bluetooth. Spare tire right here, and then all of your bright work on the rear is very nice with new fasteners. Tailgate's very nice. Little rubber mat back here. You have a seat that is removable. All your leather straps for the top are very clean. Let's go down the passenger side. You got your reverse light right here and your brake light. Wheels match the body color. And look at the frame under here and all the body pieces. Looks like a completely new wiring loom for all of the wires. Brass cap. Still has the original style steering wheel. And then you do have an electronic setup for the windshield wipers, which does operate. Your lights operate as they should. Turn signals are right here. And the steering is very nice. The best part? It's got no woogo horn. Let me start it up right now. The emergency brake is on. It's in neutral. That's awesome. Starts up nicely. No smoke or hesitation. No rattling. All right, let's jump in it and go for a ride. You drove the Cobra. It's hot. We're inside the cabin right now. Steering is nice and tight. You can move it a little bit, which is common. All of your gauges are working, so your fuel gauge is working. Speedometer, we're gonna see when it's working. We have good oil pressure as well. It's about 30 pounds cold, and I can see the amperage change. You do have a electronic windshield wiper, which is right here. And then this one still has the factory vacuum style, which would run off the fuel pump. Dash is clean. All of the wiring they did for the stereo, I think it's very nice. And they loomed it with the old school material. You do have the stereo here, which you could turn up, and it sounds great. The rattling you're hearing is actually our air condition, so it works really well. This is the air condition, so you have a little flap here to let the breeze in. Today it's 100 degrees, so e-brake works. Clutch is very easy. Steering's easy because the steering wheel is large. Turn signal lights work as well. We're going to take this to a closed area after I go through all the gears. Clutch is very, very easy. We're going to go into third. Nice and smooth. We're going over some bumps right now. No rattles. It's impressive. Second gear. Speedometer is not operating. And then the noise you're hearing is because we opened up back portion. The little metal pieces are touching the frame. It feels good. We'll downshift it in a second. We'll go through this grass right here first. No issues at all. I love it. Oh yeah, it drives so nice. You wouldn't expect it to be this old. Two-wheel drive. I love this thing. Once again, if you guys have any questions at all, give us a call at 954-363-2261. This thing runs great, and I hope you guys are enjoying this content. If you are, please be sure to like and subscribe, because that'll bring you more cars like this. We've got a host of vehicles coming in, and they're gonna tickle your fancy. Hope you guys enjoyed that test drive. Have a great day. Good luck buying this thing. See ya.